Hey guys, it is Janet here, and I am on my next cruise. So today I've boarded Royal Caribbean, Ovation of the Seas. It departs from Los Angeles. We're actually, this is the port, the San Pedro port. So it's actually not in the Long Beach port. It's in San Pedro port, which is like 5 minutes from the other one, but this is where the Royal Caribbean ships depart from. I wanted to give you a quick tour of the room. This room is 11,670 and it is a balcony cabin. So let me take you around the room quickly and show you the room. And if you guys are interested in booking your cruise and you're looking for a room, this is what I was doing when I was looking for my rooms. So hopefully this is helpful, and definitely leave me a comment if you have any questions about the room or about the Ovation of the Seas with the Mexico destination cruise that I'm about to take. Okay, so this is the room as you enter. Over to the left, we've got the bathroom, and do love the fact that there's no shower curtain here. It is a glass encapsule, which is great. This is the I feel like it's standard on Royal Caribbean. I know like Carnival, they do have the shower curtains, which I'm not a fan of at all. But this is the bathroom. I think there's ample space here on the vanity. They have the sink space over here, and then of course on the bottom there's space and garbage can. All right, so leaving the bathroom, we come out. There is your first closet right here. I think it's got tons of space to hang your stuff. It's absolutely, great space. Also on the bottom there, you get to put your shoes, book bags, whatever you need to store. This is a sofa that they have as well. I'm not sure if this actually folds out into a bed. I think they do. But anyway, you've got this. You've got a small desk space over here, and you do have the full-length mirror over here too as you walk in. So you come in and you have your mirror. Hi guys. And then you come down here. We did get the key, so I will talk about that in another video. But if you guys are interested about the key, you should check out my video talking about what benefits come with the key and if it's worth it. So just checking this out. This is your in-room safe, which is nice. It's usually much smaller on other ships, so I do like the fact that that's big. You have your hairdryer, some tissues, and then of course you've got your closet space. These are great in the morning, by the way, to do room service. If you've got like an early morning excursion, I must say, you hang this out, tell them you want your breakfast at 6 a.m., 6:30, 7, whatever time you pick. So you can have breakfast in the room while you're getting ready. But it's great, and then head out to your excursions. But lots of drawer space here. Absolutely great space. They've got your TV up on the wall, which is great. It's right across from the bed. There's a phone over next to the bed in case you need that. Lamp. And then of course, actually, you know what? Hold on one second. I might have misspoke. This is not, it's a mini, well, I guess it could double as a mini bar, but they do have a lock on it. So that was not a safe. That was a refrigerator. Because I was like, wait a minute, there's a safe right here. And I'm like, it's bigger than anything else I've ever seen. This is enough just for some cash and passports. Not enough for a laptop. Definitely not. So just to keep that in mind. But again, more closet space here. Storage space for you guys. And of course at the bottom, you've got more drawers. Okay? And then, as per usual, under the bed, you've got enough space to slide your luggage if that's what you like to do. Up on top, do they have the cabinets? Yeah. Okay, so on top of the bed, there is 2 big cabinets for more storage. It's actually a nice feature. I know some people don't like it, but I think it's good. And then over here, you've got your outlets. So there's lights you can shut on and off the room with as well, but you have an outlet right there. We do have a balcony that I'd like to take you out on. Hold on. So again, we are in Port San Pedro. So the San Pedro cruise port. So you come out onto the balcony. Of course, you got your standard 2 chairs and a table, and that's it. Just taking in the sights before we depart. We are going to head out to Los Cabos for 2 days, and we're doing Ensenada for 1 day. So, and then heading back to here, LA. So if you guys are interested, hopefully this video helped you. I will do another video on the key because I did purchase that, and I think it's super useful and helpful, especially on the first day, because sometimes it can be like overwhelming getting on the ship, and then, you know, people are fighting with you in the buffet to get something and everybody's going crazy. So I do like the fact of having the key on the first day and having those perks. But again, you're getting different perks throughout your stay as well, depending on if you're tendered or if you're in port. So I will be doing another video on that, so stay tuned for that. But in the time being, I'm gonna go get ready. I'm gonna get up to the pool and I'm gonna get ready for sail away, because we're about to sail away to Mexico. So have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.